evening, everyone. I'm Shanti, founder and CEO of Tutelar. Before I show you any slides, let me start something very simple. Every time a customer pays online, every time a loan gets disbursed, a new onboarding happen, a fund transfer across the border, there is one invisible expectation: nothing should go wrong. But behind this, there is a lot happening: emerging fraud, identity misuse, compliance pressure, and sleepless night for many of us. That's the world exactly Tutler operates in. And today I'll show you why risk team need new kind of intelligence, not just another tool. So India witnessed 206 percentage of fraud rate last year alone. And our compliance teams are already overwhelmed because they're using multiple tools. 50 percentage of their productivity spends on clicking between the screen instead of analyzing the risk. This gap, this delay, this disconnect where fraud silently wins. This is the wake up call and this is the problem statement that Tutelar is solving. And who feels the pressure most? Across the payment system, everyone is feeling this heat. Be it bank, fintech, NBFC, payment aggregator, everyone is feeling this heat, and that is our customer base. What is the cost behind this? This is not only the financial, it slows the business, increase the churn, and creating or spoiling the reputation losses. So, what we built at Tutelar? We built one risk brain, a single layer of intelligence which connect the dots. This absorbs everything: transaction data, KYC, KYB, AML, adverse, transaction, web signals, and connecting everything together and provide you as a story where the call to action is. This unified platform comes with AI plus human synergy. We believe the power of AI as well as we don't want to ignore the expertise of human. So you will get the right blend of AI plus human synergy while you are using Tutelar. Enough theory, let's see how the intelligence works.
Tutelar is a unified, real-time compliance intelligence platform. Here's how we onboard, monitor, detect risk, manage cases, and generate STRS all in one place. Let's onboard 2 customers, 1 individual, and 1 business entity using only minimal information: PAN, Aadhar, and a cancelled check. Tutelar automatically extracts the required details, verifies the documents, and creates the customer profile instantly. Customer is now ready for CKYC or full KYC submission. With a single click, where the complete KYC suite is readily available inside Tutelar. Immediately after creation, Tutelar's negative data intelligence highlights prior disputes, criminal flags, and linked risky identities. Tutelar's AML engine uses AI-driven name, matching and fuzzy scoring to check global sanctions, watch lists, PEP databases, and country-specific sources in real time. For customer X, AML screening identifies a watchlist match and adverse signals. Due to this high-risk result, customer X is rejected. Next, Tutelar instantly fetches the entity's credibility report, providing clear financial and behavioral insights in a single view. Tutelar's web crawling engine analyzes the merchant's website, validating the business model and MCC, scanning security, policy, banned content, and negative indicators, flagging risky activity and unsafe content with precision. A BC Mart onboarded successfully. With every approval cleared, the customer is fully verified and risk-free, powered by one of the industry's most advanced risk platforms. Here you can see Tutelar's hybrid risk engine in action. We run multiple AI human risk engines in parallel, each validating different business risks. Tutelar reviews each transaction under a real-time lens. As the risk engine feeds risk signals, anomalies, checks geotags, device checks, pattern and behavior, all these signals combine into one unified risk score with clear reason codes, delivered in milliseconds. Tutelar's risk flag indicators are aligned with FIU and RBI guidelines. Each RFI flows into case management, where the journey is tracked until it's resolved or qualifies for STR. An STR typically takes 6 hours to prepare. With Tutelar, it takes 6 clicks. Once a case qualifies, the STR engine auto-collects the related transactions, generates the GOS, fetches KC1 and KC2 through KYC integrations, and compiles the complete file ready for FinNet submission. Tutelar's ongoing due diligence continuously rescreens onboarded customers. Our AML ODD engine automatically detects new sanctions, PP changes, or other AML deviations. The same applies to website ODD. When the merchant's business nature shifts, content becomes non-compliant, web crawling ODD raises a retroactive alert immediately. Tutelar's compliance-aligned platform makes every action transparent, traceable, and regulator-ready, bringing all risk signals into one intelligent, real-time, unified compliance brain.
So, this is the target market that we're accessing spans between $16 billion to $70 billion, and our accessible, obtainable market something around $300 million to $500 million. And this is how Tutelar stands out. We are really unified platform, and it is AI human synergy, lightning speed, and we are compliance ready. The regulatory filing is automated. And most importantly, I would say the entire IFTA finalist forum is our customer base. If you are in this room, Tutelar can be plugged into your solution by tomorrow morning. This is the customer who already believing us, and this is our customer voices, and this is our tech stack. We built in microservices, and it is auto scalable. It's multi-tenancy, and let me see the team also. I bring 20 plus years of experience in AML, risk, and compliance across the global system, and my leadership team comes with the same energy and same expertise in their respective field. Thank you. That's it for the day. Let's build the compliance together stronger.